We need to start hooking the tail. Tail 1. I use this coffee color for the first laps. Only at the beginning of the third lap. Let me switch to the earthy yellow. So the first loop is 6 short pins. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth needle. The fifth needle. The sixth needle. Then pull the coil tight. See which wire is moving and pull which one. Tighten the coil. Pull this thread up again. Wrist herring. The first hook is open. Remove the marker buckle. Draw in the position of the marker buckle. Finish the first lap. Tension coil. Hook a standing pin. The second lap is now more or less 6 short needles. We're pulling this place. Hook the first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. Always hook 6 short pins. That's the end of the second loop. Wait for this line. We can wrap it back in later. Don't worry about it. Remove marker buckle. Crochet through the position of the marker buckle. Let's put in the original with the yellow line. This is the wire change is complete. I'm going to tighten up the original color. We'll cut it again later. So let's start the third loop. Hook a standing pin. Hook the first short needle here on the draw. Second pin. It's also 6 short needles. The third short pin. In one go, 6 short needles. Six short hook gone. The third loop is the end of the hook. We take off the marker. Draw in the position of the marker buckle. Tension wire. Hook a standing pin. We can leave a little bit of this line, and then cut it. Let's 3 to 12 or 6 short pins, not less. Hook the first short needle where the lead is drawn. Marking buckle. Second stitch. The third stitch is 6 short stitches. The sixth round. The fourth loop is over. Remove the marker buckle. A rice pin. Same as in lap 4. Hook the remaining 5 to 12 turns together. Loop 12 is over. Remove marker buckle. Drawing. Pull the thread tight. Let's make it a little bit longer. You can use it to sew on the main body later. That way, we're done with all the accessories. And then we put it together. Now let's put these pieces together. First, find the center point. The center point could be this number right here. Same distance on both sides. Same needle. Numbers like this. Find the center line. Find this. This is a T shape. Mark position. And then these two sides are between laps 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 needle sides apart. Here we add eyes. These two sides are smiling faces. So a V shape. And then directly above. Interval. 6 purpose position. Between lap 6 and 7. Plus 2 years. Directly below. The position at the beginning of lap 7. Just insert 6 needles. At your front feet. In the position on lap 18. Just insert 6 needles. Plus 2 back feet. Then sew the tail right behind you in the middle. There are many places where we can use rubber strips. Heat it up and stick it on. Let's go for it. Tape your eyes. Then go on the ears.